Hello, my name's Charlotte from Honda Bolton, and today I'll be taking you around this used vehicle.
Say hello to this vibrant edition in stock. We do have the brilliant Audi A1 Sportback Sport edition, finished in a gorgeous metallic python yellow and a lovely manual transmission. As this is a 2020 model, it does come with an exceptionally low mileage of just 5,734. Alongside your 1 litre petrol engine, it is the ideal nippy city drive with a 110 horsepower. Top features do include your rear parking sensors, giving you a helping hand in those tighter spots, alongside your very stylish LED daytime running headlights for full illumination ahead. And of course you do have a very spacious boot area, ideal for all your day-to-day items, with an extra storage pocket just below for your spare wheel and any further tools. Stepping inside, you will find a stylish patterned full cloth finish for all travelling passengers. This does also continue in your front interior, alongside your multifunctional full leather steering wheel. You do also have your digital cockpit alongside your central touch display for driver and passenger convenience. Again, just opposite, your two front seats are full cloth, really enhancing that comfort, especially on those longer trips. And to seamlessly control your vehicle, you do have your mounted audio controls, which does even include your option for your cruise control and speed limiter, giving you a helping hand on any journey. You do also have your options on there to navigate around your digital cockpit screen, so you can display an array of vital driving data on here, including what music you're listening to, as you do have a whole range of radio stations, keeping you and your passengers fully entertained. And moving across into your central touch display, of course you can access your main radio stations on here. As you can see, there are plenty to choose from. However, if you do wish to listen to your own preferred audio, you can do so connecting via Bluetooth. This is compatible with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can quickly gain access to all your vital car apps in seconds. You do also have your Audi Drive Select, which does even include your efficiency and a dynamic mode as well. You do have your drive assist, which does include your lane departure warning, reducing the chances of any collisions. You do also have your service interval check there to keep the vehicle in much better condition overall. Following this, you do also have your main climate dials, which does even include your heated windscreen option. And following this, you do have various power outlets to keep any devices fully charged, alongside your 3 handy cup holders.
For further information regarding this vehicle, please give us a call on 01204 827 906 or inquire online now.